In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to solve monetization not available in your location. So, if it's your first time visiting our channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming tutorials. So, let's get into the video. Okay, the first thing is that once you log into your YouTube channel, you simply click on what? Endings. So, once you're there, you are going to see monetization not available in your location. For you to be able to meet the YouTube partnership program, you simply need to change your location in your YouTube channel to any other location. So guys, I'm going to click on update location. So from there now, you simply need to choose let's say any other resident country that can be able to receive monetization. So we're going to choose, let's say, Canada or any country. Okay, so Canada. From there now, I'm going to click on save. So guys, as you can see, your YouTube channel can now be monetized if you follow the monetization policy. So you simply need to complete these various steps, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Yeah, peace out.